say a radioactive substance has a half-life of 5 hours. If this initial mass is 80 grams, what mass remains after 15 hours? A, 40 grams, B, 20 grams, C, 10 grams, D, 5 grams. Now, let's solve it together. Let's collect the data. First, they say the half-life, which I will call T-half, is what? 5 hours. Initial mass, which I will call NO, is given to be 80 grams. Then time is given to be 15 hours. Now, we are asked to calculate the remaining mass. We are going to solve this using two methods. First, let's calculate the number of half-life in 15 hours. We have 5 hours as a half-life, and 15 hours is the time. So we're going to have number of half-life is equals to time all over half-life. And this will be equals to 15 all over 5. And that will give us 3. So the number of half-life is what? 3. Now, so if there are 3 half-life, now remember half-life is the time taken for half the given mass of substance to decompose by half. Time taken for the given mass of substance or the given quantity of substance to decompose by half. So if we have a half-life of 5, it means that the mass given is what? 80 grams. It means that after 5 hours, that is our first half-life, 80 will decompose by half, and we're going to have 40 grams left. After the 10th hour, which is the second half-life, 40 will decompose by half, and we're going to have 20 grams left. And after 15 hours, which is the third half-life, 20 will decompose by half, and that will give us 10 grams. Therefore, the correct answer is what? 10 grams. Now, let's look at the second method, which say the remaining mass is equals to NO into half raised to power N. So, this is going to give us, initial mass is what? Remaining mass, initial mass, 80 into half raised to power 3. If you do this, you're going to have 80 times 1 all over 8. And that will give you 10 grams as the final answer. So depending on the method you use, you still arrive at the same answer. So this is how to go about calculating half-life and the remaining mass of a substance from giving data in a question. Now, if it's your first time on this channel, follow us